Got a Pinch Me box in the mail. Hoping I'll be able to do this with this. Get my phone plugged in. I've got a long cord's kind of short on it. But I got a Pinch Me box in the mail today. Let's see what all we got in here. May do reviews on. Okay, you got it. Coupon here to get free bag of Beyond Mix, looks like. Get out of that, Rosie. No. Get out of that. No. Sorry about that. I'm here by myself watching the baby. Alright, that's one thing. What did I just do with that? Okay, what else we got here? You gonna shut the door for me? No, you need to stay out of stuff. No. Okay, you got Rosa, stop. Sun protector. Stop. 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 Sun protector. Unscented. Girl, you need to stop. 30, UVA, 30 UVAs, or whatever you want. Friend? Okay. Hush. Be quiet a minute. Let me finish this, okay? You be quiet for me? Okay. Sun protector, unscented mineral screen. So 30 UVA. What else we got here? Got a Vagisil. Vagisil. Sensitive scents. White jasmine. Skin friendly disposable wipe. So what else we got here? Okay. Garnier Fructis hair mask. I think I've already done a review on this. I'll have to check. I think that's the one thing I've already done a review on. Looks like a bunch more of these are called no. Immunity boost. Leave that alone. Rosie, leave that alone. I'll be done here in a minute. So we got a bunch of more of these called immunity boost things. And I did a review on them a couple days ago. I know I already did a review on them. Biowar charcoal self heating mask. Biowar charcoal self heating 1 minute mask. Girl. Okay. And another, my roommate's gonna be happy. Got another one of these little Starbucks coffees. He's crazy about them. Stop. No, I know I've already done a review on these. Let's see if there's anything else in here. It looks like it's gonna be it. We got 1, 2, 3 items when we did 3 new items when we did a review from them. Came in the mail today, along with a coupon from Beyond Mix. Got several things over here that I've already done a review on, so I'm not gonna do another review on them again. If you're interested in getting free samples through the mail, check out PetchMe.com. I'll post a link down in the description box at the bottom of the video.